Hello, my name is Andrew Aziz, the author of How to Day Trade for a Living. Welcome to my channel. All right, guys. Good morning, everybody. I'm back from my travel. I was in Wyoming over the weekend. I went Thursday to Sunday climbing in Teton National Park, which is very beautiful. So we wanted to climb Grand Teton. I couldn't climb it. We tried twice, but there was lightning storm, and we really couldn't. It was just not safe to go up because there was a lot of lightning. And when you are on top of the Grand Teton, it's like a nature lightning cord or something. You're gonna get hit on that. So we came down. Today I had a really, really, really bad trading day to Tesla, and I woke up late. In my time, it was like 6:45 a.m., like 9:45 Eastern time. I woke up and I just shouldn't have traded that. And just turned out to be a really, really bad day. There was a couple of other good trades that we did that right now I have some puts on CrowdStrike that is working pretty well. But let's see how it goes. As you see here, it was a really, really bad loss on Tesla. But let's take a look at what we did and how trading is going. But I just want to do the recap because there are some educational material in there, like the trades that we did on CrowdStrike, and also I want you to see the losses too. Like, it's not that you wake up every morning and you just make money. There are some days that you really get really beaten up. So today is one of those days. Again, Tesla, it was an amazing day for Tesla. So again, at the open, so when you look at it, it was an amazing opening range breakout. I know Brian and Peter took the beautiful opening range breakout. So very, very nice. 1 minute opening range breakup, even to test the VWAP, 2 minute opening range breakup, depending on what time frame you want to look into that as well. So it was really, really nice. So as you see, the test of the VWAP is really amazing. So you had a very strong move, you test the VWAP, and then you just another rally up. So that would have been amazing trade. I would have definitely taken that trade. It's now up 5%. But I couldn't, unfortunately. So what I did is we came down. I tried to catch a reversal on that. I went long in this moving average, popped up. I was pretty happy. I added very heavy on that for the break of high of the day. Really didn't go there, and came down and I got a stopped out. So that was a really bad loss on that. That was my first trade. And so again, if you look at the 1 minute time frame as well, yeah, so as you see, long and the moving average, added more hopefully for the break of high of the day. I got a stopped out, came back up, I added more. I went long again, added more, and boom, I got a stopped out. That's the two trades. And then another trade that I went long and I got a stopped out. Again, it really messed around with me. Did I trade it again, or how was it? I think I called it a day, yeah. So as you see here, it just continued going up, eventually broke the high of the day. Market was really volatile today. So 3 trades on Tesla, and each of them just lost. The first one was a very bad loss, and it's super choppy. I really didn't get anything done. CrowdStrike was nice. CRWD is the CrowdStrike is a company that does the security. So the last week there was a security issue with the IT, outage and everything that impacted a lot of countries and a lot of sectors. So this was responsible for that. Those guys were responsible for that. So it gapped down on Friday, sold off, and gapped down today. I was down another 12%. I came down and I looked at the daily level and see where we can actually take a reversal on that. And this is amazing. So what I came out, so again, on a daily chart, you come out here and you see back in December 2023, so we had a gap up, really massive rally around this price range. And if I zoom in here, this is very important. If I zoom in here, I see that these two areas that potentially as a reversal, as a level. So this was a really nice bounce, and then we have this gains, and then after that we gapped up. So 261.77, I marked it in the chat room. It's in live YouTube. You can go, and I said this could be a potential place to catch a really nice bounce from it, because that's a very, very important level. So what happened? Let's take a look at the daily chart. 1 minute chart, it down to the penny, like in that area. So let's go to the 5 minute, maybe 5 minutes, a little bit easier to see. So as you see here, it actually down all the way down to the penny, 261.77, bounced back, and it really went back up. So what I did is I sold puts on it. One way of going long synthetically is you can actually sell puts. So I sold puts on it for 250 for the end of this week. So right now it's trading 266. So I thought that CrowdStrike might be oversold. So I went down into the option chain and I found 240. on a daily, and I sold the puts. I collected $3.50. That's a really good premium for this. But the premiums are really high when implied volatility is up and this kind of news up, because everybody wants to buy put. Everybody wants protection, so the value of the protection goes up. And yeah, so I covered some of them on this bounce. So I just sold it right around here, 260, when it was trading around 262, and bounce I covered some, and I still short. I probably hold it overnight for the rest of the week. So it will be until Friday, and see what's gonna happen on that. I have some VCLT, which is the bond, Vanguard bond as well, so a little bit of a bond, and of course we have the SPY VOO position. So what would be my stop loss here? So again, when I'm selling at 240. So that would be around this area, 238. And I collected $3. So you have to add that into your $240. So we do 237. That's essentially my break-even point if it goes below 237. So I doubt that the CrowdStrike is going to go much lower, because this was a really solid fundamental. The company is strong. It's just had a bad day, and it's going to, I think, recover. And I don't think it's going to really make a huge impact on the company. But it's a risk, it's a risk that you have to be very careful on that. All right, guys, so that's it. So really bad trading day. I'm sorry again, I woke up late, and that's the price that you have to pay. You missed the really good moves, and you have to, chase the moves, and you're not making the money that you were supposed to make. And, as you see, like SPY had a really volatile day as well. So really up and down. It was significantly up and down, 1 or 2%. These are huge moves in the market. But we are living in an amazing market. Like, look at that. Look at how it sells off right now. This is just amazing. Cheers. Okay, guys, thanks for watching, and see you tomorrow in the chat room, guys.